In this segment, I'll be providing a brief overview of VST Connections. In order to open the VST Connections panel, select Devices, VST Connections, or you can also press F4. First, let's set up our input buses. For example, here, I've got two mono inputs, a microphone and a guitar. They're connected to inputs 1 and 2 on my sound card, and on the stereo keyboard, which is connected to inputs 3 and 4. This requires 3 different input buses. First, let's delete the existing buses. Right-click and choose Remove Bus, or press the Delete key on your keyboard. Click the Add Bus button. From the Configuration drop-down menu, choose Mono and type 2 in the Count field. Click OK. Now let's add one more bus. Choose Stereo this time. Click OK. Under Device Port, choose appropriate ports for each bus. Now, let's rename each bus by double-clicking here. The first bus will be called Vocal. The second one is Guitar. The third one we'll call Keys. You can see now that these buses appear in the mixer window. All 3 buses are listed in the input drop-down menus of the audio tracks. The output buses work pretty much in the same way. Under the Studio tab, you will find the Audition bus. Right-click. This lets you specify the number of channels you can assign to this bus. The Audition bus is also represented in the Mixer panel, but its appearance is different. It has fewer options than the Output bus. The Audition bus is used to monitor output outside of the project window. In a sample editor, for example, you'd also use the Audition bus when importing audio into Cubase, or you'd also use it when you're auditioning a clip in the pool. And this concludes our brief overview of VST Connections.